What up, Zoom Tribe? Make sure to check out my live streams on my Zoom to Thailand live channel on YouTube. This is where I get to interact with my friends, subscribers, Patreon members, and other like-minded people that want to chop it up and have a good time. Sometimes I have celebrities on there, sometimes my subscribers are the celebrities. Either way, we just laugh, have fun, and talk about everything from traveling to hip-hop. Make sure you subscribe to my Richie Mac live channel. We used to do it on Sunday mornings, but now, because football season's starting, we're going to slide over to Saturday mornings. I ain't going up against NFL football, y'all. So get it right. Saturday, 9 a.m. West Coast time, 12 p.m. East Coast time, till daylight saving time rewinds, you dig? And we're getting that much closer to that 100,000 subscriber parties. The haters are going to be sick. And you don't want to miss that. Make sure you have your notifications on both my Zoom to Thailand and Zoom to Thailand live channels so I can keep you up to date on when it's going down. I want the Zoom tribe to be ready. Thailand is definitely going to be ready. You dig? I want to give a shout out to all you guys that's been rocking with the Travel OG and supporting the channel from Inglewood to Africa. Can you believe we're at 70K? Thanks to you guys, my subscribers, and people like the lead attorney, mediocre to tours and reviews, and the late great Kevin Samuels. Make sure to catch us at our new time Saturday morning, 9 a.m. West Coast time, 11 a.m. Central, and 12 p.m. East Coast time. Come party with me, the Travel OG, and maybe even say hello to Elle. Peace and love to you all. See you Saturday, 9 a.m. West Coast time, 11 a.m. Pacific, and 12 noon East Coast time. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mac, the Travel OG.
Thank you.